In this tutorial video, we're using dummy card details and de-identified data. Welcome to the expEDIum InstaPay walkthrough. Access the InstaPay portal using the URL instapay.expedium.net. Here, you can enter the customer ID available in the patient statement for which you wish to make payment. Customer IDs are unique to each patient and do not change over the period. Then click Next. As you move forward, you will see on the left-hand screen customer details like customer ID, customer name, and clinic to which the patient is associated with. As per HIPAA policy, all letters except the first are masked in the customer name. On the right-hand side, you can see three options. Enter other amount. You can enter the amount you want to pay here. Current balance due. This option displays the patient's current balance. Last statement balance due. This option displays the patient's previous balance due. By default, enter other amount shall be selected, and the user can choose between the three fields. Also, if either the current balance due or the last statement balance due is equal to 0 or less than 0, the respective field will be disabled. Enter the amount you would like to pay. Once you have entered the amount, click Next. Choosing the back or cancel options will take the user back to the home screen, and selecting Next opens the card details page. Enter the card number. Name on the card. Expiration date. And the CVV or CVN. Then click on Pay. The payment will be successful if the entered details are valid. This page displays payment details such as the payment date, transaction ID, total amount, total paid, gateway transaction ID, and authorization number. Click on Download to get the receipt in PDF format. Or you can enter your email address. And click on Send to receive it via email. For further assistance with expEDIum InstaPay, please contact our help desk at support@expedium.net or call us at 888-910-3763.